This is Prasanna from Trade Zone, and this video is all about today's expiry. Today being Thursday, we can expect a strong volatile movement in Bank Nifty options. So I would like to provide the levels for today and see how it getting reacted during the volume profile zones. So let's start marking the levels and looking at the price of the current Bank Nifty spot and the futures. We can see 32,991 and 33,100. So keeping in mind, let's consider 33,000 as the um, current strike price. We'll take both the options, 33,000 call option and put option. Now 33,000 call option, put option being the at the money strike price. Let's start marking the levels for these two and see how it's getting rated on today's level. And more likely, we would prefer to enter only during that particular zones and not to enter at any point of time, any other point of time. So it is better we start marking with the help of 15 minutes time frame. Being an intra-trade trade, it will be short in crisps, and I'm expecting a huge volatility. Um, but let's see. Since we had a very good volatile market today, it could be either sideways or the trend can actually still continue. And let's hope for the good. Let's see how it works today. Okay, so this is a 15 minutes time frame which we have already taken out, and we can do our markings. And always just make sure you have the exact zones when you start marking with such a big time frame. You can also cross verify with different aspects as well, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour or half an hour will do. But then but mark your levels with only with your 15 minutes time frame. That will definitely work. And so let's start the marking of the volume profile zones. So take the horizontal line, uh, keep the tick on, and just take the horizontal line, and I'll again teach you how to draw the volume profile zones. It is nothing but wherever you see a very big volume drops, okay, try to mark those zones, and with the help of those zones you try to enter or exit depending on your position. So that's how it will keep working. So it should be very simple for this call option. It has to be, if it is breaking out beyond 463 and a strong candle closes beyond it, just wait to retrace until 425, give the proper entry. Even if it comes here, definitely 387 is a great entry. Okay, so it might actually bounce back. Just always wait for 15 minutes closure. That's how it will work. So be patient, don't have too many lots and start buying with many lots at this zone. Always keep your money management very strict and tight. um, so whatever you trade with, don't risk more than 5% or 10% of your capital, and keep your stop loss very tight. So just wait for 15 minutes candle closure of this particular zone, then decide what needs to be done. If it is a rejection or like a long wick comes here, it will take off until here, and then I'm expecting here, and it just come down to here. Just expect the come down. If you want to take a risk at this point of time near 170 or 160 180, then you will be having a very small stop. So you can actually take the enter at a very low price and then wait for the retracement towards the upper side. So it could be like either sides on a given day. We can't, like I said in my previous videos, we can't predict the market. It has always been um, it is a wrong way of doing it. Just react to the um, how the market just goes with the trend and react to the particular zones only. Whenever it touches the upper area, try to sell it or Whenever if it is trying to break the upper zone, try to buy it when it retraces. It is very simple. So depending on the candle closure, just make your entry. So if I see something like this, a big long wick, I can very much say that there is a lot of buying pressure comes in. This is called a wick. Basically the candle comes down. It is trying to move on over here, but then the sellers don't, and the buyers don't want to go it beyond this level, and it just started pushing until mm, from 160 to 132. Around the closure was 244, so nearly 100 points it pushed up, and then from here, whenever we see the retracement towards it just gave us nearly a small chance of nearly 210. It's a very great entry. We could have made a great entry, and from here it would have gone like boom over here. So you need to be very patient here, and make sure your entries are um, very close as possible to towards the zones, so that your ASL will be very low, and your risk and reward will be very great. So that's how I want to keep it. So whenever you do positional kind of tradings also, you can mark with these levels, and it will work really well. But always make sure, just don't get trapped by your volatile moment. Just wait for the closure of the candle. That's how it has to. We need that patient. So finally, my mantra is like, keep patient is your key. So nothing else. So let's move on to the P. So 33,000 P. We can see this is the main zone, and anything beyond it. So likewise, take the pencil, draw the horizontal line, okay, and then over here you just mark the 303 and 331, and over here just mark this zone. I don't think, okay, anyways, just take this zone. It may come down until here, then also rebound, so we may never know. So just hold on. Yeah, it's better if you have it until here. Okay, so let's stick to that zone. Don't complicate it. Okay, so I just saw it. I found this very interesting. So uh, it may have a tricky end over here. So rather, I would suggest to keep your entry beyond this, because this can be a trap zone. Also, there is a moving average which comes in early, so it might get retraced over here. Anything beyond this, definitely the MVG, it will go above the moving averages band, and we can see a strong upside from beyond this part. So this is the levels which I do recommend for tomorrow's expiry, for today's expiry. And so all the best guys. Just keep your head cool, and just don't rush into any kind of trade unnecessarily. Just wait for a entry, calm, be patient. If it is breaking down in morning itself beyond this level, it will just keep moving down. It will not go up until it crosses this zone, because we have a very big resistance above this part. So you can very well see that. So keep in mind, volume is always the key. Nothing else plays. On the big players just lay here, wait for your entry. They push in, the smart money comes in, push the market, push it here. Again, if you have an entry here, cool, buy it. You have only 20 points stop loss. If it goes well, you'll get 400 points. It will go until 420. So your for 20 points you'll get 200 points, which is great, right? So always do such kind of tradings. SL should be low, and your profit should be high. Simple. So this is my level for tomorrow. Sorry, for today's expiry. So keep it that in mind, and see how this level works for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, support my channel. Trade Zone in English and Tamil. We can see I have also started my um, beginners course as well, and you can check that playlist, and start learning and make your money. Thank you so much. Bye.